Good morning, my magical students, and happy Monday. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so we are kicking off our Monday with our every Monday morning message. A few things to look forward to this week include, for me, I am looking forward to seeing you in Zoom today. I'm excited to finish reading the book that I am reading, and I'm excited to try a new recipe. So what are some things that you're looking forward to this week, whether in school or outside of school? We also have a quote from one of my favorite authors, J.K. Rowling. We do not magic. We do not need magic to transform our world. We carry all of the power we need inside ourselves already. Motivational Monday, and I believe in you. So your greeting today is to give someone at home a magical compliment. I also have included a Moana yoga for you to do before our Zoom call at 11. All right, let's take a look at our week. All right, our Spirit Week this week is a lot of competition. Hopefully, this will encourage you to participate in the Spirit Challenges this week. Our Monday, we're going to kick off with a old-fashioned girls versus boys. How many girls are going to send me photos today versus how many boys are going to send me photos today? And let's see who gets as many. Then we have a skaters versus surfers, heroes versus villains, flannel first, tie-dye, and then color war on Friday. Remember to send me your pictures at sur@ebnet.org. All right, our shout outs are to the Mangles. The Mangles went fishing with Flatness Earth this week. I hope they caught lots and lots of fish, and I hope you had a great time. All right, reading our goal. Remember, every week you have a goal that we are trying to accomplish. I am looking for you to make sure you have accomplished this goal by doing each of the assignments throughout the week. So our goal this week is this. Please listen carefully. Compare and contrast two animals while creating a theory, right? An idea of which animal is stronger. And writing, so this is our goal by the end of the week, is you're going to be writing a who would win book. So the first thing you're going to do today is you're going to watch this clip about who would win lobster versus crab video. It is a read aloud of a lobster versus crab, real text. Someone's reading out loud. Then you're going to explore an animal you did not research. So for example, I researched penguins during the animal research unit. I'm not going to be going to the Padlet for penguins. I'm going to go to the Padlet for tigers, or I'm going to go to the Padlet for pandas because that's a different animal. And just like last week when you compared and contrasted two Native American tribes, you are going to compare and contrast and use the Venn diagram to compare and contrast your animals. You have two options. Either A, you're going to click this link right here. It will bring you to the Venn diagram. Bada boom, bada boom, there it is. When you open this up, you have a button here. A lot of us maybe don't understand this. You will press print. It's going to generate. It's going to bring you to your print. And you have to make sure your computer is connected, obviously, to your printer. And you can print this version in order to print it and write on home. Or you will go to Google, whoops, double whoops. You're going to go to Google Classroom to our virtual reading resource section, and you will find a copy there. You have to add at least 3 things, whether it's you need at least 3 similarities and 3 differences between our animals. So make sure you do that. Also here, in case you want to also read about your animals again, they are here if you want to further research, and also to remind you of what your animals were when you researched 2 weeks ago, because it has been a while. All right, our math plan. So our goal for math this week is identify fractions of a set using correct vocabulary. So to kick off our week, and I'll talk more about this in our Zoom, is you're going to be creating a glossary. Just like our animal compare and contrast, if you click this link, a slide will open and you once again can print this in order for you to do it handwritten, or it also will be available on Google Classroom. So you print glossary or go to Google Classroom and there is a math, go to the math section for an editable copy. I do not expect you to do this in one shot today. I expect you to take your time on it. There are different steps that you have to do in order to be able to meet this goal. One, you need to draw a picture or explain for each word, right? So each one, and I'm going to go back to my template to show you. Maybe zoom in a little bit. There we go. Whoa, really zoomed in. So you'll see above, so the word is benchmark, the word is collection, denominator, distance, and there are multiple pages. There are 3 pages with word on it. Fraction greater than 1, equivalent, equal to, equal shares. So you are creating your own glossary with these words. So you need to take your time on this. There we go. So come up with a written definition for each. This should be like in your own words. Research it and then try to write it in your own words. Note you can use the Unit 7 Family Letter, the Student Reference Book on ConnectEd, or even a dictionary to help you. You are also going to be playing memory match game today for fractions. So you're going to click this link. It's going to bring you to the fraction memory. How you'll play is you're going to have to make your screen to be able to see it all. So I'm going to zoom out a little in order to see all my cards. And then I'm going to play. So equal shares. I did not match. Denominator, and I want to find the one with the picture, the correct picture. So distance. It goes very, very fast. Maybe you can slow it down. So you want to be able to read it. Equal to, equal shares. That's not the right. So you're going to play this game. I will get notified when you play it, so I will know if you're playing it or not. All right, that's math. So here are our read alouds for the week. There is Sacagawea chapter 4, 5, and 6. This needs to be finished by the end of the week. I have decided that I am not going to be requiring, which means you have to do it, to do a Flipgrid. I hope you're enjoying the book about Sacagawea and you're learning about her, but you do not need to create a Flipgrid. I did, however, make a link here to a Flipgrid if you want to share what you're reading. But just enjoy the book, listening to the read aloud, and there are 2 more chapters after this week. All right, and then last but not least, we have our early finishers, the same old math and reading, cursive writing, typing, and coding. And then you'll notice here I have added 2 new links this week. Our virtual field trip is farm food, which is pretty cool. There's like 360 degree rotations about a farm, and you can look at all the different areas of a farm and what like goes into a farm, which actually is very interesting. And then our mystery science this week is about landforms and erosion. So if you click the link here, it will bring you to how can you stop a landslide? It gives you a little bit of an activity prep, tells you what you would need to be able to participate in the STEM project. It gives you some readings and videos, and that is it. So that's all I have for you. It's a little bit longer of a Monday video, but if you have any questions, please make sure you write them down so you can ask them in our Zoom call. I'm going to be going over our feedback sheets in the Zoom call. So hopefully I see you there. If not, check those out. Email me if you have any questions. Work hard. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye, boys and girls.